Good evening to all students. So my name is Subham, I am research scholar at IIT Kanpur, Department of Organic Chemistry. So today I am bringing a new topic for you. This is a very important name reaction is the Bailey-Sinman reaction. And Bailey-Sinman reaction, if CSIR as well as GATE ask you question from this section, so definitely you will get the high chance. Means you will get in CSIR ask question in 4 marks. Sorry, CS asks 4 marks, and if GATE will ask questions, it will contain 2 marks question. So definitely you will get too much benefit from this reaction. So stay tuned with me. So first thing is that, so what is the Bailey-Sinman reaction? So Bailey-Sinman reaction is also called the Morita-Bailey-Sinman reaction. And this is the carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. So if you don't know, I will tell you one thing. In organic chemistry, what is the most important thing is that if you are getting the carbon-carbon bond. So carbon-carbon bond forming reaction is the one of the important reaction in organic chemistry. So this, what is the feature of the Bailey-Sinman reaction? That is also formation of the carbon-carbon double single bond. Okay. So we have to think about what is the starting metal and what is the reagent and what is the catalyst for this reaction, so that you can easily identify this is the Bailey-Sinman reaction. So first thing is that we have to think about our starting material. So we have starting material like we R1, R2, and X, and this X group can be oxygen and nitrogen. Means we have carbonyl as well as the enamine kind of thing. So we are getting two thing here. This is the carbonyl and enamine. And if we talk about this thing, this is the electron withdrawing alkene with containing electron withdrawing group. So in example of this, like acrylic ester, acrylonitrile, vinyl ketone, and vinyl sulfone, and all these things. So this is the carbon electrophile, and here we change the electron for alkene with carbon electrophilic center. So what is the meaning of this thing? I will tell you. Like that, I'm taking example of the ethyl acrylate and this is the double bond. Okay. So carbon electrophile means if we have any nucleophile here, so it will attack on this center and this center and this center. So this is the one for a day. Means in this fashion we are getting the one for addition. So if we take about the catalytic tertiary amine base, so we have DABCO. This is called DABCO. So this is diazo bicyclo octane. So this is very famous base, DABCO. So I will give you hints like in CSI or NetGate, or if examiner ask you question DABCO, so you can directly understand that this DABCO is called for the Bailey-Sinman reaction. Okay, and this is also tertiary amine, this one, and you are getting this. This is also tertiary amine. So whenever you have aldehyde or enamine system reacting with the ethyl acrylate or acrylonitrile, vinyl ketone, all these things in presence of DABCO base, so definitely you are getting the Bailey-Sinman reaction. So this is the first example of this reaction. So we have aldehyde. Aldehyde is reacting with alkene with electron withdrawing group, and we have DABCO. So definitely this reaction is called to Bailey-Sinman reaction, and this is our final product. So this final product, this is the alpha beta unsaturated, and or we can say that the, if we call this thing, so this is the hydroxy alpha hydroxy beta hydroxy compound. Beta hydroxy compound. Okay, and if we have in amine side system, so we have the beta nitrile compound. Now we talk about the mechanism of this reaction. So in this mechanism, so we have acetaldehyde treated with ethyl acrylate, and we have DABCO base here. And reaction is it will take too much time, like 7 days and 25 degrees the room temperature. Okay, so when these substrate react with each other in presence of DABCO base, so we are getting carbon-carbon bonds. This is the carbon-carbon bond formation reaction I've already discussed to you. This is one of the important reaction because we are getting carbon-carbon bond formation here. So what is the mechanism here? The first thing is that we have DUPCO. So say DUPCO is the bulky base. Okay. So bulky base or bulky, in this case, this is the bulky nucleophile. Okay. So bulky nucleophile has, so you might have a question that why this is not attacking here. So this person is not attackable. Why? Because this DUPCO is bulky base, so it can attack on this 1,4 manner and getting it this kind of thing. So this is not attack in 1,2 because of the bulkiness. The steric factor is dominating here, and this is the conjugate addition. This is called 1,4 addition. It takes place. This is conjugate addition or Michael addition. Okay. After the attack of the center, we are getting uh, this is the we can say that the enolate anode, ester enolate. So this ester enolate come back and attack on this aldehyde center. So this is nothing but simple your class 12 chemistry like a aldol condensation step. So aldol condensation takes place between the ester enolate and this uh, mm, acetaldehyde, and we are getting this product here. And if you see here, so we have this hydrogen atom here. So next step, this hydrogen is abstracted by the base, and we are getting the enolate ion here. Okay. Now this enolate ion come back, and this DUPCO can go like this. So we are recovering DUPCO as a catalyst. So this is the beauty of this reaction, because at the end of the reaction, you can consume your DUPCO, and because it act as a catalytic one, and we are getting left with product with the beta hydroxy compound. Okay, so this is the simple mechanism of the Bailey-Silman reaction, where we are getting acetaldehyde and ethyl acrylate treated with DUPCO is a catalytic amount which is consumed at the last step of the reaction. Now, scope of the reaction. So this is the very popular reaction. That's why I took this section, which is this is the multitasking reaction. So we are starting with alkene with electron withdrawing group. Okay, like acrylate and sulfone and all this, and we have different means X is this ketonic. If X is the ketonic center, F is the ester, this is the acrylate product. If the cyano, uh, this is product. If sulfone is used, this is a sulfone containing product, and aldehyde is aldehyde containing product. So you can think like here. So this is the very what we can say the multitasking reaction. Okay, so this is highly uh, one of the best reaction in the organic synthesis. So based on the organic synthesis point of view, Bayes-Hillman reaction is one of the important. Because why this is important? Because we are getting the different kind of this substrate molecule. So we are getting different kind of the building block of this molecule. Okay. Now this question I took from the CSIR. This question asks CSIR June 2019, and you have you will be happy to know about this. This question asked in 4 marks. Okay, so this is the very important question. So what is the mechanism? Simple thing is that we have aldehyde. I'm not talking about it. This is the uh, R is the simple this thing. Okay, and we have alpha beta unsaturated thing, and DUPCO is there. So what is the structure of DUPCO? So this is what tertiary amine. So first step, what is the first step? In first step, this DUPCO can attack in 1,4 fashion. This can go like this, and this can go like. So simply we are getting enolate ion of, sorry. So in this step we are getting enolate ion of ester. What happen in next step? This ester enolate attack on this aldehyde. and which manner? In aldol condensation manner. In which manner? Aldol condensation manner. And with we are getting the condensed product like this. And this is positive charge. Now we have this hydrogen atoms after the elimination. We are getting this thing. Okay. So now we have this base. In the second first step we have done. Now see second step. So in second step we are using 1 degree amine. What is this? 1 degree amine. So if this 1 degree amine is why this amine is given here? Because CSI asks always the tricky question. So he given to you DEPCO. This is the tertiary amine, and that's why it can attack on the 1,4 manner. So most of the student have thought they like this is the tertiary amine, so it attack the 1,4 manner, and this 1 degree amine also attack the like this manner NH2 and PN. So it can attack here, and according to this, what is your final product? You are getting with product number 1. Okay, but you have to understand this thing because this is the not steric hindered, so it can attack on here. So this approach is wrong and this approach is right. And if you attack here, then after the attack of this or negative get negative charge, this oxygen ion come back and this OAT will move here. So according to this, what is your final product? So this your final product is this one, not this one. Why? Because this is not our 1,4 product. This is the 1,2 product. So you have to see about the general organic chemistry. If you have the hindered base, then at that case you are ending with uh, 1,4 product. But in this case, you are getting the primary amine. That is why this will get the this product. So most of the student can when they solve this problem, so most of they have this answer because they are thinking like it also amine and starting TEPCO is also amine, and is if TEPCO is attacked by 1,4 manner, so this amine will also attack to 1,4 manner, but it is not like okay. So what do you understand by the Bailey-Simon reaction? In Bailey-Simon reaction, we have an aldehyde group and alpha beta unsaturated ketone or ester. This is in this case we are ending in the alpha beta unsaturated ester, and we are getting with tertiary amine. And most of the case you will find the DEPCO as a catalyst. So you have to understand this thing. If in any reaction, if any reaction of Bailey-Simon, how will you identify? You have to see the TEPCO as a catalyst. Okay. So most of the time, Bailey-Simon reaction TEPCO is act as a catalyst, and you have a aldehyde, and you are the alkene containing with electron withdrawing group. So this is the tricks as well as the mechanism and example of the Bailey-Simon reaction. I hope you like this thing. Thanks for your watching.